Have you ever been there? You're staring at a mountain of online shopping carts, each overflowing with treasures. A new gaming headset, that perfect summer dress, maybe even a robot vacuum cleaner you never knew you needed. But then reality hits. Can you actually afford all this? That's where the magic of credit cards comes in. But before you swipe your way to retail bliss, there's one crucial hurdle: the application process. So, you've set your sights on a Capital One credit card. They've got a fantastic selection, from no-fee travel rewards cards to cashback options that fit almost any lifestyle. But how long will it take to know if you're actually approved? Are we talking weeks of agonizing wait time, or can you celebrate with a virtual shopping spree tonight? Fear not, fellow credit card enthusiasts. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Capital One applications, uncovering the secrets to processing times and getting you that shiny new card in your hands, or, more likely, mailbox, as fast as possible. Now, buckle up and get ready for a crash course in Capital One credit card application approval speeds. The need for speed, instant approvals, and beyond. Let's start with the good news. Capital One is known for its streamlined application process, and in many cases, you can get an answer on your approval status in a shockingly short amount of time. That's right, we're talking about instant approvals. If your credit score meets their criteria and everything checks out, you could be basking in the glow of a congratulations message within a mere 60 seconds. That's faster than microwaving a burrito. Now, that doesn't apply to every single application. Sometimes, Capital One might need a little more information to make a decision. Maybe your income needs verification, or there's a question about your address history. In these scenarios, you won't get that instant gratification, but don't despair. Capital One will typically notify you of their decision in writing within 7 to 10 business days of receiving your application. The waiting game: what slows things down? So, what bumps you out of the instant approval lane and into the waiting room? Here are a few reasons why your Capital One application might take a bit longer. Incomplete applications: double-check your information. Make sure there are no typos or missing details. An incomplete application means Capital One has to chase you down for clarification, which adds time to the process. Credit report discrepancies: if there are errors on your credit report, it can raise red flags for Capital One. You might need to take some time to straighten things out before you reapply. Verification needs: as mentioned earlier, sometimes Capital One needs to verify your income or employment. This can involve contacting your employer or waiting for additional documentation to arrive. Speeding up the process: your application turbocharger. Alright, so you might not be getting an instant approval, but there are ways to streamline the process and hopefully get that waiting period down to a minimum. Here are your application turbochargers. Gather your documents beforehand. Having your pay stubs, social security number, and any other requested information readily available saves Capital One time and effort. Apply online or over the phone. Paper applications are the slowest method by far. Stick to the digital route for the fastest processing times. Review your credit report, catch and fix any errors before you apply. A clean report makes the approval process smoother. The big reveal: so, how long does it really take? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to how long a Capital One application takes. It depends on your individual circumstances and the complexity of your application. However, with a little preparation and by using the online application system, you can significantly increase your chances of getting that instant approval or at least minimizing the waiting time. Remember, even if you don't get the instant green light, within a week or two, you'll know for sure where you stand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.